This might be one of the most unique Shopify stores that I've ever seen. And in today's video, I'm going to be dissecting how they're doing $2 million a month and a few strategies that you can actually implement into your own Shopify store. Whether it's a big one or a small one, it doesn't matter. This will really help. It's a strategy that actually makes you an extra 10 to 20% more sales from the traffic you're already driving. So stay tuned. Let's just start with dissecting the brand. It's called the limitedrungames.com. I saw this on Store Leads. It's a random database, and they're estimated to be doing $2.1 million a month. Now, as you see, this is one of their sites. So apparently they have two different sites. This is kind of their main site, and then they have sub pages for the site. So for example, here they have the LR Vault, and it's extra. I mean, this is what it seems like to me. It's extra rare stuff. It's actually super cool. So if we check this out, like you can see there's a huge vibe going on here that they've been trying to portray, and it's very niche, but even with this sort of niche vibe, people really love it, right? You can see that there's over 600,000 monthly visitors to this site, and primarily from the US, but from all over the world, which actually makes sense. That's one way that you can scale a tiny niche like this, is by simply expanding worldwide. So if you're wondering, well, how can they do 2.1 million selling these kind of games per month? Well, it's because they have a global audience, right? So if you can have a global audience too, that can help you scale. Now, one of the things that they're doing is coming out with new games all the time. So they're always releasing new products, which are not really new products, right? Because it's a lot of like things that are limited production. So there's scarcity behind it, which is one of the things that pushes the price up of these things. So that's why this is also a cool business, because the prices will continue to go up, right? It's almost like a business where you're also investing, right? You're like selling investments. It's like selling gold or silver and buying it as well. This is kind of what these guys are doing, but with games. So it's such an interesting business. But as you see, one of the things that they're doing here is constantly launching new products, posting about the new products on social media, primarily on X. So X is actually their biggest platform. If you see, they just posted an hour ago here, and this already has like 4.5K views. So for the gaming niche, X is actually one of the best marketing platforms. I've seen it on multiple different occasions from a variety of clients that I've worked with in my agency. X is always the dominant traffic source for gaming related brands or like anime related brands. It's pretty cool. Now, the strategy when it comes to dropping new products, that can be extremely profitable. Of course, that can be risky with inventory, but as I mentioned, their inventory, it's kind of like investment, so they can talk about it a lot, and they use OmniSend actually to do this, right? So they are consistently sending emails out to their list, and they're constantly building a bigger and bigger list through all the traffic that they're driving. So that's what's really cool about email marketing, is that it's also an asset, right? So you're building this asset over time as you drive more traffic to your store, especially with pop-ups. I actually like the OmniSend pop-ups, but I know that the best pop-ups out there are by this brand called Alia or Alia. That's one of the ones that we use on a couple brands and that like a lot of my clients use. But OmniSend is what I use as the base layer for email marketing, because you can actually start for free. It's super affordable. It's super clean as well. I really love their aesthetic. And you can run all the automations that you actually need for your store. And that's why these guys use them too, because they are honestly the same as the best email marketing softwares out there, but at a fraction of the cost. So it makes a lot more sense to use it. But besides that, I mean, selling products like this is probably difficult. They have a moat in the fact that, these are limited run things. So I'm sure there's a huge, network of people and connections that you can make in this market in order to grow in it. But I think you could still apply, some of these things about the gaming realm into building your own brand. So, you can use TeamDrop as your sourcing agent to source products and ship them globally. Let's just say, for example, right, we wanted to get into the gaming niche. We could sell some sort of gaming headset, right? Something like that, right? I mean, we could do a lot of research here, but that's not really what I'm here to do. I'm trying to show you how you can do this, but it would take way too long to do all the research. I mean, I can look up gaming and see what we can find. There's a lot of really interesting products actually, and something like this is kind of unique. So just consistently doing new product drops, of course, focusing on quality products. You should talk to the TeamDrop team on WhatsApp, because that way you can actually have discussions, back and forth discussions, to source any product that you want and actually improve it, do different packaging iterations, all these kind of things, right? It's just easier if you just go to the platform. It's absolutely free. But besides that, these guys don't actually run any ads, which is kind of interesting. They are all organic. I mean, it's possible they run ads on X. I don't really know if there's a good way to tell if they do, but you can see people are kind of talking about these things as like news. This was 18 hours ago. They're constantly posting a lot on Twitter, which is really cool, or X rather. And as you see, sometimes these like super random posts like strength, shield, spider. This is, I don't get it. So if you get it, just enlighten me. But this got 23,000 impressions, and that's, again, organically. So X is a huge platform for these kind of things. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much about it for the video. Check out some of the tools that I mentioned in the description. I try to give you guys all the discounts I can find from these partners for the tools that I actually already use. So I'm never going to promote you something that I'm not actually using. But with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.